I'm up 17th May, Friday. There, over there, you can see 12:30. And outside, we could hear some noise. Let's see. Hey, এদিকে আসো। কি করছিলে? জল ভরছিলে কেন?
তুমি তো কোনোদিন ওই গ্লাসটা কবে নিয়েছো? মাজারও প্রয়োজন মনে করো না।
But whatever.
কি বলছো?
I've got my diary over there, guys. I don't need this book there anymore. I've got the diary there, so I'm going to keep this book away. There one, another duplicate. তাহলে কোনটা আসল কোনটা?
আসল নকল আবার কি?
কোনটা ছিল আমার কাছে?
কোনটা ছিল? এটা ছিল, কিন্তু মাজা দরকার তো, সারা জীবন ধরে খেয়েই যাবি, মাজবি না?
এটা ছিল, এটা তো মাজবে তাহলে নাকি? মাজবে তাহলে এটা নাকি?
মাজা হয়ে গেছে, মাছ দেখি এই তো ছাল চামড়া উঠলো।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে মাছ হয়ে গেছে তো রেখে দাও ওখানে।
মাজা হয়ে গেছিল, রেখেও দিয়েছিলাম। তারপরে আমি ভাবলাম এটা তো আবার মাজতে হবে, এটা কি সারা জীবন রেখে দিই? আবার তো 1 সপ্তাহ 10 দিন পরে মাজতে হবে, যেমন যে কোনো জিনিস যেমন মাজি।
ঠিক আছে,
বুঝেছিস তো? ওই জন্য বড় মুকল একটা পেলাম, ওটা ভালো করে মেজে ধুয়ে রাখলাম। আর কলসির জল ভালো তো, ছাতা দেখাও যায় না।
Guys, take a look at our okay, first take a look at our new glass. This is the new glass. You can clearly see it's totally clean. Okay, and bottom there is very clean.
এটাও মেজে ধুয়ে রেখেছি।
Up there is very clean. And
দেখি কোথায় রাখছি।
let's take a look at our old glass.
এটাও মেজেছি ধুয়েছি।
She just washed the glass, okay?
না, জাস্ট না, 7টা।
So it's looking pretty clean.
হ্যাঁ,
তাহলে এর মুখটা কোনটার মুখটা বড়?
ওইটা বড় রে।
একটু মুখটা একটু বড়।
হ্যাঁ, ওই জন্য তুমি রাখলাম। ওটা আমি দেখলাম, হাত ঢুকে ইয়ে করতে পারছি। এটা যেমন হাতটা।
Okay, so the mouth, so this circle is much bigger than that circle. 19-20. Just a little bigger, but gets the work done. She actually closed the windows of my bedroom. That's why I could not wake up on time. So now I have told her to not do it. She thought if she closes the windows, I'll have enough sleep. But sleep is never enough. So I've told her to not close the windows. We were using this gas or this cylinder from December 2023. Okay, but now it's finished. So she has changed the cylinder. She has replaced the cylinder, the old cylinder, with the new cylinder. And you can see today's date over here, May 17th. Not December, guys, January. She has like the 2 isn't. হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, দাঁড়াও একটা কথা বলছি তো, কথার মাঝে বলা। So 23rd January to 17th May over there. Okay, so this cylinder was running since 23rd January. Okay, so about 4 months this cylinder ran, and let's see how long this cylinder runs. Let's see, but we'll have to order a new cylinder. Chanakya Nidhi. Okay, my father sent her this message on WhatsApp.
তোর পেটের দাম তারও বেশি নাকি? ওষুধ যদি
দাঁড়া না পোকেশন আছে। Guys, look at the walnut, but it tastes good. I have eaten a little of it. It tastes good, so I can eat it. Try to share my one of my photos, that page, okay, but it says your post could not be shared, please try again. So looks like I need to try again. Let's try again. And yeah, let's try to share again. You heard that? Saw it was coming from there, from that house. Your post has been shared. So how did I solve the problem? I looked at some videos on YouTube, but they could not help me. So I I tried different methods. So I think the aspect ratio, I know the aspect ratio was out of out of range. That's why I could not share it. But now I have shared it in square format. So now I could share. I have added the Instagram link over here, so you can directly what the okay instagram.com triptopal reload page. ये क्या हो गया? There is an issue and the page could not be loaded. Okay, Instagram there. Yes, this is my Instagram handle, instagram.com triptopal. Okay, you can clearly see over there, so you can start following. 18 videos are getting uploaded. So three of those 18 are getting uploaded on my spoken English with Tripto channel, and the rest 15 videos are getting uploaded over there here on my vlogs channel. So in total 18 videos. So let them first get uploaded, then I will schedule them. But now 3:30 and I haven't yet eaten my I have got my breakfast, some nuts, some 5 almonds, 2 walnuts, but other than that I haven't really eaten anything else. So let's go and have some meal and let the videos get uploaded there. Bengali invitation card for marriage. Old one, not anything recent, old. Okay. So my mother uses this card over there. Incense. So she lights up incense like on top of on this, and this stays on top of this. So that way the ash doesn't touch the ground. But now we are going to have some food. ওই দেখো ওখানে এই এরকম হাঁটছে। ওকে একটু গম টম নিয়ে আসো না, গম নেই? মোলাসেস, সুগার কেন মোলাসেস, আখের গুড়, সুগার কেন। ওকে, here we go. That whole pot of molasses is just 32 rupees. মানে কত টাকা কেজি হলো? 50 rupees per kg. চিনি কত টাকা কেজি? Sugar is 40 rupees per kg. This is 50 rupees per kg. So this is a little expensive. Romania, Indonesia. So yesterday I played my first game against Romania. Then I think today early morning, maybe 1 a.m. I played against Indonesia. Lost both the games. Gonna play another game. Let's see if we have a chance. This time we are again playing against Indonesia. 622 versus 601. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? फिर से हार गया। एक और ट्राई करते हैं। And this time I'm against Serbia. Let's see. Okay, they just have 9 seconds left and we have about half an hour left. So let's see. We're gonna win by timeout. They're gonna run out of their time and we are gonna win. Timeout. 2 coins. Haha. You won on time. By timeout, we won against Serbia. Guys, here I am getting thumbnails for the 15 or 18 videos. Unwanted guest. Go, wait. ওঠো 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 ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে
সব কথা মুখে মার কাছে বলে আমি আমাদের এখন টাইম হয়ে গেছে আমরা বলতে পারি
ঠিক আছে চলো চলো
খবরদার
চলো চলো চলো
সে তো সবাই জানে
ওঠো ওঠ চা করে গেছে আরে যা না তোর জন্য আমার কাজ আছে
চা করে রাখছি চলে আসি
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে চলে আসি
দেয়া খোলো দরজা খোলো চলো চলো দরজা খোলো তাড়াতাড়ি
সবই তো বুঝি আর বোঝাতে পারছি না
চলো বেশি বকো না
বাবার সাথে করে ওইগুলো একটু দেখবি বাবার কাজটা দেখবি
ঠিক আছে যাও তাহলে তো বকো না and let me get back at creating thumbnails
ঠিক আছে
এক সপ্তাহ মনে নাকি
আমাদের আর কদিন ছুটি আছে ভোট অবধি সোমবার অবধি
মগে করে আনতে হাই ये ले পুরো মুখে পড়েছে শ্রীরাম না খুলিনি শ্রীরাম share market. So my father also works in share market. So that was his assistant Shoibal. So he came here and delivered us this envelope. এটা কি লেখা আছে টু চন্দননগর Guys, 2 parties forecasting at the same time, whatever that is called, processing প্রচার করাকে ইংলিশে কি বলে প্রচার 2 parties promoting their own party at the same time. 16th April. Maybe I made the mistake on that day, either on 16th April or 17th April. I made the mistake. I said something wrong on my daddy channel. That's why it happened with my 2 channels. Okay. Nowadays I'm really extremely careful about what to say and what to not say on YouTube, or what to show, what to not show on YouTube. I cannot afford to lose any more channels. But whatever, 16th April. I had all the channels. A long time ago, I lost one channel for some visual offense. Okay, I cannot even say what visual offense I made. Probably it was about pornography or something. So a long time ago I lost that channel. Okay, I mean sexually explicit content for that reason. Not just sexual content, sexually explicit content. But that channel was a private channel. Nobody knew about that channel. Once in a while I used to upload content on that channel to make sure if YouTube would approve that content or not. So that's how I lost that channel. That was also a backup channel. That was That was basically a backup channel where I used to back up my conversation videos. So that's how I lost that channel. And so far total I think I have lost a few taste channels. I have lost. My mother's channel is lost. The diary channel, the first vlogs channel is lost. So how many channels in total I have lost? 4 here, 5. Okay, 4 here, 4 here. My mother 5, 6 in total. I hope I have learned my lesson. Tripto, you really hope. Tripto, you have learned this lesson, and from now on you gotta be very careful, extremely careful on YouTube. Your YouTube channels are way more important than anything else. Okay? So YouTube channels, save them. 6:15. Over there you can see it's edited. 16th April video is edited. My tea got cold, but it's okay. There are still some boys who are playing outside. So let me go up top on the roof and let's see what's going on. Okay, today they are playing football. Generally they play cricket, but today football. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 are active, 2 are passive. 6:13. There is no sign of the sun, but look at the clouds. Today they have put on the grills, and maybe tomorrow or maybe in a week they would put on the concrete over there. Dhalai concrete. Guys, these are some new boys who are playing football over here, and the old boys are sitting. They are not taking a part in it. So guys, let me guess what had happened. So these two boys are playing cricket, okay, and then these 4 boys came. These are new boys, I have not seen them before. Then these 4 boys came and started playing football, and these 4 boys didn't take them in the game, or they didn't want to play football. So these 2 are sitting and the 4 are playing. Really pleasant weather. You can see how windy it is. Not too windy, but windy enough for the weather to be pleasant. কে বলছে? Guys, it's become very windy. Not too windy, but windy enough for a pleasant weather. And over there, one of our neighbors is yelling. Okay, woman neighbor. One day I'll show you her. Like, she is just this tall. You see, our fence, she's just that much tall. Yeah, one day I'll show you her video. Yeah, she's barely 3 feet tall. So one day I'll show you her video.
একদিন তো সেই কি করছিল তুই ওর ছবি তুলেছিলি
কে ও ওকে কোন চ্যানেল এখানে দাঁড়া
একটা তুলেছি
মাথায় একটা রেড সার্কেল দেওয়া ছিল কি কেন হতে পারে এই কথা আছে দাঁড়া
আবার চারটা ছবি তুলিস না তুই
Some people try to open this like this, okay, but it's got a technique. You need both your hands for this, but let me try to do it with just one hand. So first pull it, like this, in this direction. First pull in the horizontal direction, then pull in the vertical direction, like that. রাতে ওকে ছাতুই খাবো নাকি? রাতে ছাতুই খাবো, হ্যাঁ রাতে কি খাবো? Okay guys, so we are going to get some chatu or grounded chickpeas as supper. Some bananas are going in there, so later I'll tell you the total number of things that went in. The artificial fan is off because the natural fan is on. So in the early days, okay, before she used to keep this window closed. This part of the window, she used to keep it closed because she was too shy of the neighbors. But don't do such things. If you have windows in your room, keep them open, especially in the hot days. Tomorrow I am going to make a rack for this egg boiler. Thermocol rack, no drilling. ASMR. Guys, it's got a very big name. ASMR, full form of ASMR is big. So if any of you remember, I said remember, don't look the name up. I mean, you can look the name up, but if you remember, only then comment down the full form of ASMR. Guys, yes, that hooks, those hooks. It's got 6 items: chatu, gur, kola, khejur, jol, and puffed rice or muri. Chatu in Bengali, it's a Bengali term, means nothing but grounded chickpeas. Gur, molasses. Kola, banana. Gur, molasses. Yes. Jol, water. Right. And puffed rice, in Bengali we call it muri. Okay. In English, puffed rice. So now we can enjoy this food, supper. She wanted to see my apple. Okay. So over there, I have written down my apple, which I can tell YouTube on 27th May. So this is the apple. টুইটারের এখন নতুন নাম হয়ে গেছে এক্স। টুইটারের এটা জানো, টুইটারের নতুন নাম এক্স। সার্কামভেনশন।
এই যে সার্কামভেনশন, তুই তো সার্কামভেনশন করিস না।
সেটাই তো বলছি আমার সার্কামভেনশন হয়নি, সেটাই তো আমি লিখছি। হ্যাঁ, দেখা যাক কি হয়। Advisory: fake calls. Don't take any calls threatening to disconnect your mobile on behalf of Department of Telecom (TRAI) and report at www.gov.in. Department of Telecom, also in Bengali. So they are basically warning us to be aware to not take fake calls. I have removed my phone numbers from both the test channels. Got a little late to open the door, otherwise I could have shown you the vehicle which was promoting the Trinamool party. I have shown you the vehicle, Toto, okay, Toto. So that's the vehicle, but this time last time the vehicle was promoting CPIM, this time the vehicle was promoting another vehicle, similar vehicle, another vehicle was promoting Trinamool, TMC. 16th May, 34 minutes, editing complete. These videos are mostly like taking notes, okay, but if you want to learn from the videos or if you want to enjoy the moments, you totally are welcome. But these videos are mostly dedicated to my future self, uh, also my present self, for both present and future, taking notes, not making the same mistakes again, learning from the mistakes, learning from the successes. Basically these videos are dedicated to me, but if you guys want to watch the videos, you are very welcome. Just stepped on this cockroach. You can see one of its antennae, whatever that is called, antennae I guess, not antennas, is gone. Okay, just stepped on this. Guys, the wind is great. I'm really liking the experience. Okay, out there you can see 4 to 5 people are over there. Well, out there in the distance. But the thing is, the wind is great. I'm really loving the experience. Our neighbor is going somewhere. Okay, the man of the greenhouse going somewhere. But whatever, it's 9:17. As about every day he goes out at this time, not sure where, but somewhere. Well, this is to relax. I generally come on top of my roof, and if it is a little windy, it's a good place to relax, and then I can get back to my work. Initially I used to record while having the flash on, but nowadays don't really need the flash. And the wind is great. Look at the wind. I mean, feel the wind. You cannot really look at the wind, just feel the wind. If I were a bird, I could have flown away somewhere with the help of the wind. Maybe someday YouTube will put restrictions on facial expressions, that you cannot do this, you cannot do that sort of facial expression. But so far we are free to make any sort of face. My mother likes to keep the door closed, but don't make the same mistake. Okay, don't make the same mistake. Keep the door open and lock the grill. Okay, because when you keep the door open, then you get the wind. So get the wind, keep the door open, lock the grill, get wind. And over there, the man of the greenhouse went out to pick up his son. There. I really wish to get my vlogging channel back, because there are a lot of interesting videos. Lots of interesting videos. And this Kolkata Museum, I went to Kolkata Museum. I paid them some extra money, 50 rupees, around 50 rupees extra money, so that I can take photographs in there. Even though I took videos over there, video was like too expensive, 6,000 if you want to do video. But I took videos even though I paid for photographs. Maybe I should not have mentioned it publicly. There you see what's going on. Not really sure I can have this clip in my video 18th April. So yeah, so the thing is, I have uploaded this clip on my test channel. I'm definitely going to upload the whole video after editing is done on the test channel, but also I have uploaded the suspicious clip on the test channel separately to make triple sure before I uploaded the video on my main channel. 18th April video. Diary channel got suspended on 18th April 11 in the morning. But I only noticed that 19th April morning. So 18th April I was totally unaware of the termination. So in this April 18th video, I didn't have a clue about the termination. I only got to know about the termination 19th April morning. If I forgot to tell you the story of the tubes of 18th April, let me tell you right now. 17th May, about a month later. Okay, so the old tube had a leak. So I pumped up the tube, then it started leaking. So I took the tube to the garage. They patched up the tube, and with that patched up tube, I went to the Ganga river. But by the time I went to the Ganga river, it had leaked half of it. Half of the air had leaked out. So I got back to the garage with the patched up tube, and over there they said that they cannot repair the tube. At least not like that. At least the repair will take some more time for the glue to get dried up. So I gave them the tube, okay, and I bought this new tube. Probably cost me 350 rupees. This new tube, and I gave them the tube to repair. The old tube I gave them to repair, not this one. The old tube I gave them to repair. So in total, the repairing cost was 50 rupees. I don't really know that the old tube is totally repaired or not, because I didn't pump up the tube after the repair, because I'm having the new tube. But maybe to check it's working or not, I'll pump up the old tube and I'll leave it pumped up for a couple of days. If the air doesn't leak out, then I know that the tube is working, the old tube. But this is the new tube that I took with me both the times, 18th April, 20th April, to the Ganga river. Even though the river, I am calling that Ganga river, but actually that river is a branch of the Ganges. It's called Hooghly River, Hooghly. And the district where I live, it's Hooghly. So Hooghly River, more technically appropriate. Can you spell wholesale? So the correct spelling is W-H-O-L-E S-A-L-E, W-H-O-L-E S-A-L-E. That's the correct spelling. But 18th April, I got it wrong. I said W-H-O-L-E-S-E-L-L. She got it right, but I thought she got it wrong. So I made a clip on it, but she got that right. W-H-O-L-E whole S-A-L-E, wholesale. Abhijit Chavda, okay, famous internet personality from India. I asked him my question about channel termination, but he wasn't able to pick up my question. Tomorrow I'll try again. Tomorrow he is going to come live again. 21 minutes, 9 p.m. Tomorrow he is going to come live again, 18th May. So I'm going to be the first person to ask him a question. So hopefully he will pick up the question. 17th May, Ulta Chashma, and over there 17th May, Balvir. Teaser. This one 10 minutes, that one 8 minutes. Watched both of them just right now. Okay, I don't generally like to watch such videos, but today I've watched them. Don't worry, it's not poisonous. So like that, just take it over there on your hand and take it somewhere else. It's like tingling. It's like tingling. It's like a massage. You should try it. You should have the feeling. It's a massage. गिर गया. Now pick it up. Millibit. It's called a millibit. Like that. It's a spiral. The shape it's taking right now is called a spiral. Put it over there. Lift up the net a little. Then blow hard on it. Hard blow. Oh. Gone. So this is how easy to get rid of a millipede. This is actually the direct water line tap, so you cannot get water right now from here. But tank water. Thankfully, we got the pump. I think the direct water nowadays is getting up on the overhead tank automatically, but for emergency, it's better to have the tank. And every time you do such adventures with millipedes or with something else, always wash your hand because you never know where they have been to. 2 eggs. The thing is, I cannot really sleep hungry, so I need to get the eggs. If I had something else, I would have eaten that, but let the eggs get boiled 10 minutes. Planes are really very loud from outside. Like from here, the plane is really very loud. Or if you listen to the plane from the airport, it's going to be very loud. But do you think it's equally loud from the inside? No. Then the people could not live there. So it's very quiet from the inside. Not that quiet, but quiet enough to stay there for about 6 hours. 9:12, so it's a new day. It's Saturday, 18th May. Okay, the thing is, I can freely roam on my roof right now, even though the eggs are getting boiled. If the eggs were getting boiled on the cooker, I could not do this. But thanks to this gadget, electric gadget, that I can roam on my roof without worrying about getting overcooked or something like that, or anything dangerous. It's automatic. It will automatically stop. After the boiling is done, it will automatically stop. I have kept the light on downstairs, so she is having trouble to sleep, so she is telling me to turn the light off. So that egg got overboiled. Got them out of the shells, washed them properly so that no bit of the shell is on them. Look guys, something interesting. Okay, and if the wind is too hard, it just now it just comes out like that. But let's put it like this for now. কটা বাজে বলো তো, কটা বাজে? 10টা। লাস্ট চান্স 12:24. It's time to devour them. Compare the size of the egg yolk with the egg white. It's very healthy. The egg white is much healthier than the egg yolk. 12:30. I now need to do two things before I can sleep. Number one is to write the diary for 17th May. So I write the diary, then I record the outro for 17th May, then I can sleep. Actually, it's turned 18th May, half an hour ago. So let's write down the diary. Meow. 12:47. I have written down the diary. Okay. I felt that I missed something. So today morning when I look through the video, then I'll really know that if I missed something or it was just a feeling that I was having. But whatever, that's completed, and you're not seeing that storybook, that jungle storybook over there, because I have replaced that jungle storybook with the diary. So yeah, so now I'm going to sleep. Today Shanu is coming 4 p.m. Shanu is coming today 4 p.m. but I need to get up on time. And if I can get up on time, I can also go out for jogging. So that's another reason to get up on time, so that I can get most of the day. So yeah. So what else to say right now? I don't know. Even if I don't get the other two channels back, the videos, all the videos, if I don't get them back, fine. At least God let me have these three channels: the vlogging channel, the Triptopal conversation channel, and the spoken English with Tripto channel. At least these three channels. So and one may say it's better to have just one channel, but I feel multiple channels, I feel it's better to have multiple channels for me. Then I can grow wholesomely. If I take care of myself, my conversations will automatically get better. So if I record vlogs, I take better care of myself. My speaking abilities also improve. A lot of reasons why multiple channels are better. So you decide what's good, what's bad for you. You can hear from other people, but ultimately you will have to decide what's the best for you. Okay, because nobody really has lived a life in your shoes. So ultimately you will have to decide what's the best for you. You can, as I said, you can hear other people, you can listen other people, 10 different opinions you can have, but ultimately you will have to draw the conclusion. But do subscribe.